When you delete photos on your Android phone, they don't actually get instantly destroyed, which is kind of nice because if you delete something by accident, you can always recover those photos and bring them back. Let's say I have a photo here, and I accidentally delete it. It's gone from my gallery, but we can still bring it back. The exact buttons and where you'll find them will depend what app you're using for your photos. I'm using Google Photos, and if you're using something like the Samsung Gallery app or similar, they all have this, but the buttons might be in a different place. In Google Photos, I'll go to the Collections page first, and on top of my screen, there's a button for Trash. Every time you delete something, it goes in the trash first, and from there, it'll get permanently deleted later automatically. I can pick a photo in my trash, and on the bottom, my phone says how much longer until this gets permanently deleted. I can either manually delete it now and it'll be gone forever, or I can choose to restore it, which puts it back in my photo gallery. Any photo that was backed up on your phone will automatically be cleared from the trash after 60 days, and photos that were not backed up will be cleared after 30 days. And there's my photo, back in the gallery. If your photo is gone from the gallery and you couldn't find it in the trash, sometimes you might find it in the archive folder. If you've accidentally archived something, it won't go in the trash, but you'll find it here. I don't currently have anything in my archive folder, but looks like there's cat hair on my phone, so I'm just going to wipe that off and pretend it wasn't there. One last thing. If you have photos in the locked folder, which means the photos or videos are protected by a screen lock, those will not go in the trash. Anything you delete inside the locked folder will be destroyed immediately, and there's no way to bring it back. Makes sense from a security standpoint, but this is something people don't always realize. And that's how you restore deleted photos. If this helped you, I would really appreciate if you can click that like button or comment below. It helps my small channel a lot. And while you're at it, why not subscribe as well? I post similar, easy, and straight-to-the-point tutorials almost every day. Thanks all. I'll see you in the next one.